This is a presentation by Sandy Webb, Ma. Knowing and understanding the parts of a sentence, paragraph, and essay are fundamental to writing well-structured paragraphs and essays. The first part of this presentation will focus on these primary parts. The second part will explain the primary components and how each works within the sentence, paragraph, and essay. Sentences are made of words. The sentence is the building block of the paragraph. The paragraph is made of sentences. Although in Carter Dictionary defines a paragraph as a piece of writing that consists of one or more sentences. It is wise for college students to think of a paragraph that consists of a minimum 6 sentences. This is because college students are expected to write paragraphs that have well-structured topic sentences, supporting sentences, and closing sentences that clearly give details about the topic and main idea. Furthermore, it is imperative that supporting sentences begin with a transitional word or phrase because this adds clarity and unity to the paragraph. The essay is made of paragraphs. Technically speaking, an essay is several paragraphs structured around one topic and thesis, main idea. However, it is prudent for college students to think of an essay as more than 3 paragraphs because most college students are expected to know how to construct an essay that has at least 5 paragraphs. Research papers will be based upon pages as opposed to paragraphs. Therefore, knowing how to write longer essays is a valuable tool for college success. It helps to make connections between the sentence, the paragraph, and the essay. So understanding that each one has a topic is the first step in this connection. A well-written paragraph begins with a well-constructed topic sentence. It is imperative to remember that the topic sentences always should contain the topic and main idea and written within a well-constructed complete sentence. In addition, the writer should make sure that the topic sentence causes the reader to ask a question, the who, what, when, where, why, or how. If the sentence does not raise a question, then the writer needs to rewrite the sentence so that it does. Remember, the topic sentence raises a question for the reader. The question is answered by the support sentences. Each support sentence should begin with a transitional word or phrase. Transitions guide the reader from one idea to the next. Without transitions, the reader may get lost and the paragraph may lose its meaning. Transition words and phrases guide the reader from one main point to the next. Closing sentence. Like the topic sentence, the closing sentence contains both the topic and the main idea of the paragraph. It too raises a question that is answered by the supporting sentences. However, the closing sentence is worded entirely different from the topic sentence and is done so in a way that leaves an impression on the reader. Topic sentence. The weather in Southwest Florida is awesome. Closing sentence, warm days, cool nights, and heavenly breezes make Southwest Florida the perfect place to live and play. The single paragraph. The basic college essay is generally 5 to 6 paragraphs. This short essay is easily turned into a longer one once the student has mastered the concept of essay writing. Although most instructors prefer the thesis statement to be the last sentence in the opening paragraph, it can actually be placed anywhere within the paragraph. The support sentences are general answers to the question raised by the thesis statement. When done properly, each support sentence within the opening paragraph will be used as the topic of each support paragraph in which specific details will be given about the topic of the sentence. Therefore, opening paragraph support sentence number 1 will become the topic of support paragraph number 1. Support sentence number 2 becomes the topic of support paragraph number 3, and so on and so forth. The supporting paragraphs support the essay and give specific details that relate back to the overall topic and thesis of the essay. Like transitional words and phrases that begin support sentences within paragraphs, transitional sentences are placed at the end of support paragraphs and guide the reader from one topic and main idea to another. The transitional sentence should include the topic of the paragraph that it is ending and the topic of the paragraph that it is leading into. The last support paragraph will have a simple closing sentence because there will be no more new ideas introduced within the essay. Although the construction of the closing paragraph is like that of the opening one, It is written in a different way but still summarizes the entire essay. The importance of this paragraph is that it reminds the reader of the points covered as well as causes him or her to reflect back upon what he or she has learned. Learning the primary components of the simple sentence, paragraph, and essay are critical to writing well-constructed essays that clearly engage the reader. Once a writer has mastered basic paragraph and essay writing, he or she will be able to expand upon his or her writing and develop a unique style and voice. Reflection.